Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the finest in beauty and grooming. Today, we're stepping into the world of men's grooming with a product that promises precision, sleek design, and a smooth grooming experience on the go, the Bevel Beard Trimmer SE for men. This lightweight, cordless mustache trimmer could very well be the upgrade your grooming routine needs. Let's see if it lives up to its claims. The Bevel Beard Trimmer SE comes in a sleek, premium black design that immediately catches the eye. It's lightweight, making it ideal for travel or quick touch-ups, and the cordless feature means you can use it anywhere without worrying about being tethered to an outlet. Plus, it's got a 4-hour rechargeable battery life, which is pretty impressive for a trimmer in this category. In terms of features, this trimmer includes a square blade that offers tool-free adjustments. This allows you to fine-tune the blade for zero-gapped precision, making it great for sharp lines and clean cuts. It's marketed as a versatile tool, meant for everything from trimming beards and mustaches to edging up the hairline or even body hair. This gives it a leg up as a multifunctional tool in the grooming kit. Now let's talk about performance. After using it for a few weeks, I have to say, I'm pretty impressed. My husband helped with the review since this trimmer is designed specifically for men, and he's been using it for everything from his beard maintenance to trimming up around his hairline. The lightweight design made it easy for him to handle, and the cordless feature allowed for a hassle-free grooming experience. The blade adjustments are super simple and quick, which is a huge plus. The toolless mechanism lets you dial in the perfect length with zero fuss, making it ideal for those who want to maintain clean lines without a lot of effort. Plus, it's sharp enough to achieve that fresh, salon-quality shave without irritating the skin, which is crucial for sensitive areas like the neck and jawline. The 4-hour rechargeable battery is a standout feature. That's a lot of time for a single charge, and it really helps to eliminate the stress of running out of power mid-grooming. Whether you're traveling or just want a reliable device at home, the battery life is more than sufficient. Now, the pros. The Bevel Beard Trimmer SE definitely lives up to the expectations of a professional-grade tool. The design is sleek, and the tool-free blade adjustments are incredibly convenient. It's versatile, high performance, and easy to use. Whether for shaping the beard or trimming the mustache, this trimmer delivers consistent results. On the flip side, the cons, while the trimmer's performance is excellent, the price might be a factor for some. It's not the cheapest option out there, and unless you're specifically looking for something that doubles as a high-quality, multi-purpose tool, there might be more affordable alternatives that still get the job done. When it comes to value for money, it's definitely worth it if you prioritize quality and versatility. The Bevel Beard Trimmer SE brings professional-grade performance right to your bathroom. And for those who value grooming tools that last, it offers solid returns on your investment. The price reflects its premium design and features. So if you're looking for something that stands out, this could be your match. In terms of build quality, it feels durable and robust. The trimmer's design is modern, and the materials used give it a professional look and feel. The battery life and ease of use make it convenient for daily use, while the tool-free blade adjustment ensures a long lifespan. I've noticed no loss in power or performance even after multiple uses, which is a big plus for any grooming tool. I haven't had any direct dealings with Bevel's customer service, but the brand itself has a solid reputation for standing behind their products. From what I've seen, they provide responsive support and a good warranty policy, which gives customers peace of mind when purchasing. So, is there anything better? There are plenty of beard trimmers out there, but few offer this level of professional versatility and sophisticated design. If you're on a tighter budget, you might find options like the Philips Norelco Beard Trimmer Series 5000, which also offers similar features but at a lower price point. To wrap it up, the Bevel Beard Trimmer SE for men is a premium grooming tool that delivers reliable, professional results. It's perfect for those who value a high-quality, versatile trimmer that's easy to use, durable, and effective. If you're someone who's serious about their grooming routine and willing to invest in a top-notch tool, this one's worth it. But if you're just looking for something basic to get the job done, there are more affordable alternatives available. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description box below. If you've used this trimmer, drop a comment and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.